Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover world's first AI app launches your own ChatGPT-4-like chatbot, an AI-powered support team, complete with content creation, SEO website building, and instant customer interaction. Yes, with this first-to-market technology, even newbies can smartly launch your own ChatGPT-4-like chatbot and AI-powered support team, complete with content creation, SEO website building, and instant customer interaction, and much, much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. And the best part is you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly video creators, without depending on existing graphic platforms, etc., once and for all. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Insight Hub. Launch your own ChatGPT-4-like chatbot and AI-powered support team, complete with content creation, SEO website building, and instant customer interaction. Here are the complete tools that you get with Insight Hub. AI chatbot creator that creates amazing chatbot, AI support team creator that creates unique AI-powered support team, AI website builder creates high-ranking websites, AI customer interaction system that interacts with customers automatically, AI keyword to video generator that generates a set of images based on a given keyword and merges them into an exciting video, AI keyword to image generator that generates a set of beautiful images based on a given keyword, AI grammar correction that reads a block of text and corrects grammatical mistakes, AI image variation generator that generates a set of images virtually similar to the given image, AI graphic editor that creates a new image with the help of a given image and a mask along with an instruction to apply the modifications, AI product name generator that generates engaging product names based on a given product concept/idea, AI interview generator that generates interview questions based on a given job position, AI Text Summarizer that reads a block of text and without the need for any specific instructions, it summarizes the text. AI Topic Outliner that analyzes the given topic and generates an outline for the specific topic. AI Text Explainer that reads a block of text and simplifies the text without deviating from the context. AI Sentiment Analysis that reads a sentence or block of text and draws a conclusion on whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. AI Proofreading that reads a block of text and corrects spelling mistakes. AI Analogy Maker that reads a block of text and returns an analogy that describes the text. AI Keyword Extractor that reads a block of text and returns a set of keywords that best describe the text. AI Ad Copy Generator that generates advert copy by analyzing the description of a product. AI Spreadsheet Generator that generates spreadsheet based on various sorts of data. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then Inside Hub is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's fair warning. Inside Hub will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after this special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Click on the button below this video to get Insight Hub for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.